How to change Pixel 10 Pro resolution. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Your Pixel 10 phone comes with a high resolution, but by default this is turned off. Now what I'm going to show you, it should work on all Pixel phones, but this is the model I have here is the Pixel 10 Pro. So the regular resolution, you can see that it just works fine, but if you want to take things to the next level, I recommend changing the resolution, and it might take slightly more battery, but I don't think it's a big deal because I have high resolution on my Pixel 8 Pro phone, and I never notice any battery drain. So in order to change resolution to the highest level possible, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to the settings. So here you're going to click here on settings, and once you have that, then if you go to the search box and search for resolution, so you can just type in like RESO, and that should give you the screen resolution, and click on that. And here you can see that by default it's the high resolution. So what you have to do, change it to the maximum resolutions, and this is like a little warning, which is kind of just a warning, and if you just click on maximum resolution, then you can see that how much more resolution you're getting, and this is going to be incredible. So you switch to maximum resolution and then just go back, and then now we have the highest resolution. Although you cannot see a difference right here because just showing the desktop, but when you're looking at pictures or video or anything of that nature, it's going to appear as brighter and more vibrant than the regular resolution. So this is how you change your Pixel 10 Pro or any Pixel phone resolutions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.